Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Megan and this is my sister Olivia. And today we're going to be testing the Lash Lift Kit on her. So we actually laminated our eyebrows a couple weeks ago. I don't know if you can tell, they kind of came down. And we thought it turned out fine. It was kind of hard to use at first, but I think I got the hang of it and we're gonna test on her lashes today to see if it works. Yeah. Are you scared?
Yeah.
They might fall off, but it's okay, right? It's fine. Okay, so as I mentioned, we're using this Lash Lift Kit. We bought it off of Amazon for about $27, and we've gotten 2 uses out of it using for our eyebrows so far. And apparently, I think you can go up to 15 uses. Okay, so she cleaned her face, right? Yeah. Okay, she cleaned her face. And then we're gonna cover the eyelashes. What? Why would you cover the eyelashes? With the iPads? Oh, it comes with iPads. Oh, we didn't use the iPads. Cover the eyelids with silicone pads along the base. Oh, okay, so I've heard the lash glue doesn't work. So I'm gonna use my lash glue. I use the Duo one. What is this? The Duo eyelash adhesive. So we're going to take the lift pads, and I think we're going to take the largest ones. They're just silicone, so they're reusable, so we can wash them after. This one, are they the same size? Yeah? Oh, there's sizes on it. Does it say large?
Right where?
On the curly thing. Okay. Good, we're going to use large just because I think it has the most curl, and we want the most curl, especially to this. Do that, and then I'm gonna push it as close to her lash line as possible. I kind of put too much, but it's fine. It's not going well, guys. Like, I don't know what's happening here. I don't think we're doing this properly. I'm just gonna take this one and spread the glue. I'm gonna add the glue to the silicone pad. It's such a mess. This thing's such a mess. Probably should have done this in bed. I feel like this is gonna be a complete mess. Okay, I added a thin layer there. Okay, just keep your eyes closed, don't move. So yes, I do recommend having Q-tips with you because you're definitely gonna need them. I think Q-tips are so much easier to use. I'll show you guys the tools. So it comes with these things, which basically you use them, like I never use these on my eyelashes, I use them on my eyebrows. And they come with like these things, which are like brushes. They're kind of like Q-tips, but they don't soak up enough of the liquid, so I don't like them. Okay. Yeah, okay. Let's see, I think this one's dry. Okay, so after the silicone pad firmly adheres to the eyelid, apply a small amount of super glue to the surface of the silicone pad. Super glue. What the heck is super glue? They don't actually mean super glue, they mean like number 1, right? Okay, so I'm guessing they're asking for the eyelash adhesive. So, don't move. I'm gonna put a small amount on here. And then it comes with this tool that they call the Y tool. And it's labeled clean tool to clean off the residue in here. It looks like this and has like small spikes there. Anyways, we're gonna brush down the adhesive and then brush the eyelashes into it. I don't know how this is gonna work, guys. This is hard. None of them are sticking. They're just getting... I always forget that when you're doing eyelash glue, it like needs to rest. I'm gonna spread a thin layer of this glue all over the eyelash pad, or the adhesive, whatever it's called, the silicone pad, because you can't have too much. And this part seems to be drying up, so I'm gonna try to brush more of the eyelashes onto it. Some of them are sticking, most of them aren't, but I think you just have to keep on working at it until it starts sticking. And it does work a bit better when the glue is a bit dry. This thing's supposed to last 6 to 8 weeks, but when we did our eyebrows, like I think Olivia's eyebrows were done like maybe a month ago. and they did not last a month. So you apply number 1 with a micro applicator brush or a cotton swab evenly on the eyelashes, and then cover with plastic wrap for 8 to 10 minutes. We're gonna leave that like that to dry, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. So I'm gonna take the lash glue again, and I'm gonna put it on the silicone pad. I've heard and watched YouTubers who've done this on themselves, and it just looks so hard to do. Like, I kind of want to try to see if I can actually do it on myself, but I don't know how you do it, and I feel like it would just take a long time. Okay, so I'm gonna work on the other one now that it's a bit dry. I'm just gonna brush the eyelashes onto the silicone pad in hopes that they will stick. This one's basically done, so I'm gonna take Perm 1 with a Q-tip, and I'm just gonna brush up on them. I like to apply a generous amount because I feel like it works better, but that's just like a mental thing. I think it's psychological that it works better like this. I'm not actually sure. Yeah, it actually smells so bad. Like, it doesn't even smell like chemical bad. Like, it's like a weird, stinky bad. Do that in half. And then I'm gonna apply it to her eyelashes, and I try to like do it so they like stick to the pad. It is 8:22, so at 8:32 we can take that off. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna do the same thing to her other eye. I'm going to put the priming solution on again, let it rest for 10 minutes under the saran wrap, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so it's been 8 minutes. I already did this eye, and I put the number 2 solution, which is fixation, on it, and it's going to sit under the saran wrap for another 8 to 10 minutes. So it's been 8 minutes for this eye, and I know I said 10 minutes earlier, but I read the instructions again, and it said 8 to 10 minutes, 8 minutes for like thin eyelashes, 10 minutes for thicker eyelashes, and I think my sister has thinner eyelashes, so I use the Y tool to remove as much solution as I could, because it says that it recommends removing the solution, which is kind of hard because you don't want to put water on it. I'm going to take fixation and another cotton swab. I found that you don't need as much of this one as the first priming solution. Start from the bottom, push up into the silicone pad, and then I'm going to use the Y brush to help it stay on the silicone pad. Okay, and then I'm going to use the saran wrap, and it's gonna sit there probably for another 8 minutes. Once that's done, we can put number 3, which is nutrition, on it. So it's been another 8 minutes. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to apply the nutrition, which is supposed to be a conditioner for the eyelashes, and I hope it helps take some of the gunk off, but there is a cleanser after we do this, so that will help. That's gonna sit for 5 minutes. This eye is basically done. I'm going to take this silicone pad off, and then I'm gonna take the cleanser, clean all of this off. This cleanser actually works pretty well, considering eyelash glue is hard to take off, but they're definitely like curlier than your normal eyelashes right now. You want to try to get as much off with this because you don't want to use water. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with the Y tool and clean the residue off of the lashes. It was a long process. That was a lot longer than I thought. You see? They look pretty good. Okay, go clean up. Don't use any water. And then we can show them what the final product looks like. Okay guys, that's it. So I will link below the lash lift kit that we used. We did use the one from Amazon. As I said, it was about $27 Canadian. It looks like this. This is what it looks like from the inside. It's pretty easy to use, but I did watch a lot of YouTube videos. Like, I must have watched at least 10 YouTube videos, whether it be on eyebrow laminating or lash lifts. I don't know if I would recommend doing this to yourself because it was quite hard to do it to my sister, and that's like, I don't know, I just feel like there's so many other variables when you're doing it to yourself. How do you feel about them?
They look pretty good.
Are you happy with them?
Yeah.
They're not even, like, the left side was harder to do than the right side just because, like, of where we placed the pad and we used the wrong pads. They actually look pretty good. No. We forgot to take a before picture, so we have nothing to compare it to, but her lashes were basically straight. Just like, they don't go down like normal Asian lashes, but they go like straight out, and they were straight. I'll try to take some video of it and insert it here. But anyways, thanks for tuning in, guys.
Like and subscribe.
Oh. Okay guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and comment down below what you'd like to see next, and don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time. Yeah. Bye.